Number 1. Sugary drinks and soft beverages. Consuming too many sugary soft drinks, energy drinks, and packaged juices forces your liver to convert excess sugar directly into fat, increasing your risk of fatty liver disease over time. Number 2. Deep-fried fast foods. Frequent consumption of deep-fried foods like French fries and fried chicken floods your body with trans fats and oxidized oils, directly driving liver fat buildup and chronic inflammation over time. Number 3. Packaged snacks and processed foods. Chips, instant noodles, and packaged baked goods often contain preservatives, artificial flavors, and unhealthy fats. These additives can place extra stress on the liver's detoxification system. Number 4. Excessive alcohol. Alcohol is one of the most well-known liver stressors. Over time, heavy or regular drinking can lead to fat buildup, inflammation, and even long-term liver damage if not controlled. Number 5. Refined carbohydrates, burgers, white bread and fast foods. Highly refined carbs cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. Over time, this can contribute to insulin resistance and fat storage in the liver, increasing the risk of fatty liver conditions. Number 6. High-salt processed meats. Sausages, bacon, and deli meats are high in sodium and preservatives. Excess salt intake may contribute to water retention and metabolic strain, indirectly affecting liver function. Number 7. Artificial sweeteners, in excess. Even sugar-free alternatives can disrupt metabolism and strain your liver when overconsumed. A steady diet of processed, sugary, and fatty foods gradually impairs liver function, making balanced nutrition, hydration, and regular exercise essential for long-term health. Our only wish is to see you living a happy, healthy life. If this gentle reminder brought even a small sense of comfort to your mind or body today, then every bit of our effort was worth it. Whenever you need a little care and encouragement in your journey, we'll always be right here by your side.